Hello friends! Welcome to Fun Learn. Today we are going to learn the 12 months of the year. Each month is special, with different weather, holidays, and fun activities. Let's begin. January is the first month of the year. It's often very cold, and in some places, it even snows. People celebrate the new year with fireworks and parties. It's the time to make new goals and resolutions. February is the shortest month, with only 28 days, and sometimes 29. It's known for Valentine's Day, a time to celebrate love and friendship. In some countries, February is also carnival time, full of costumes and parades. March is when spring begins in many places. Flowers start to bloom, and trees turn green again. It's also when animals wake up from hibernation. In some countries, March is St. Patrick's Day, with lots of green and shamrocks. April is famous for rainy days. People say, April showers bring May flowers. It's also the month of Easter in many years, with colorful eggs and fun egg hunts. May is full of flowers and sunshine. Bees and butterflies fly around, and gardens look beautiful. In many countries, it's Mother's Day, a time to say thank you to moms everywhere. June is the start of summer in many countries. School ends, and children go on vacation. It's a month for picnics, outdoor games, and sometimes Father's Day too. July is hot and sunny. It's perfect for swimming, going to the beach, and eating ice cream. In the United States, July 4th is Independence Day, with fireworks and celebrations. August is the last full month of summer. Families often travel, go camping, or take road trips. In many countries, it's one of the warmest months of the year. September means back to school for many kids. It's time for new books, pencils, and teachers. In some countries, September starts the autumn season, when leaves turn red, yellow, and orange. October is full of color and fun. The weather is cooler, and leaves fall from the trees. The most exciting day is Halloween, with costumes, pumpkins, and lots of candy. November is a month of cooler days and cozy nights. In many countries, trees lose their last leaves. In the United States, people celebrate Thanksgiving, a time for family, food, and being thankful. December is the 12th and last month of the year. It's cold in many countries, with snow and winter fun like building snowmen. December has Christmas, Hanukkah, and other holidays. It's also when we say goodbye to the year and celebrate New Year's Eve with fireworks. Wow, friends! You learned all about the 12 months of the year, and what makes each one special. Now tell me, what's your favorite month, and why? Don't forget to subscribe for more Fun Learn videos.